So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you a step-by-step guide on how you can get a paid course from Udemy for free. So imagine learning a skill that could change your life without you stepping into a classroom or even spending so much money just to do that. That's exactly what Udemy offers you. But the main thing is that most people don't really know how to use it very well. So in this video I'll be teaching you the exact step that I use in getting my courses for free right here in this channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is our channel. We do awesome things, we do great things, and then we learn and we earn on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the one person to be notified whenever we are dropping awesome videos like this. So over here we are going to search for whatever you want to do on this platform. Whatever business you have, whatever skill you have, and you want to sharpen it, over here on Udemy you can get literally every course you want for free. So here we're going to search for development. Other development area, we have web development, mobile development, programming languages, a lot of things that you need to learn from this development area. So we're going to go on web development. Clicking on this web development is going to bring out a lot of courses for us to select on what we want. Actually, we know our key interest is for us to get a paid course. So this is what we're going to do now for us to get a paid course on this web development courses. So we're going to scroll down to where we see filter here. So here is for you to put in the rating of the kind of courses you want. If you want to see a courses for 4.5 rating stars, you can click on this. If you want the lesser rating, you can click on this. So over here they have a video duration. If you want an hour, 6 hours, 17 hours videos duration, you can click on it. And here you can select your topic. They have web development, they have JavaScript, they have React JS. So depending on the kind of topic you actually want to concentrate on. But here we're going to go with this web development, and we are going to click our video duration to 1 to 3 hours, and we are going to take our rating to this. So if we're scrolling down, you're seeing a lot of fusions here that is going to enable you to get these courses for free. But the main area that we're going to be more concentrated on is this prices here. We're going to click on this prices. You get to see that they have paid courses here and they have free courses here. So it's like you have 62 free courses under web development. Because I ticked on the topic, that's why they filtered what I want. So if I click on this free area, you will get to see that this is awesome free courses that teaches you everything you need to know on this topic, this web development topic. It's going to ground you to teach you from scratch everything you need to know. All you need to do now is just to click on this area, and by clicking on the course, what you need to do is just to click on this enroll area, and automatically you are enrolled to have an awesome course that is going to change your life, all for free. And the awesome part of it is that you're going to have a certification after completing this course. So the other part of it that we're going to do on this video to show you how to get a premium courses for free. So all you need to do is to click on your new tab and input this URL called answer Q. Search for it. This first URL here that says answerq.com. Find the best online courses for free. Click on it. So you get to say that find the best online courses for you. So you can search for the online courses you want. For our initial goal here is for us to get a free courses that was paid, but it's free for us because we don't have the finances to finance that course at the moment. So we can click on these free courses. So we scroll down, you get to see that they have a lot of companies here that offers free courses. So you can come from Udemy, Coursera, a lot of them here. But our initial focus is on Udemy. So we're going to click on Udemy here. Clicking on Udemy, you can see that Udemy courses for free with certificate. So this is the current date right now, October 28, 2025. You can see a lot of courses here that you can enroll all for free. You can see a lot of courses here that you can enroll all for free. So all you need to do now is just for you to look for the right course that you are looking for on this area and enroll for free. So if we are looking for something very advanced, if you're a business owner, you're looking for a way to advance your business, let's look at this advanced program in entrepreneurship. So we'll click on this. I'm going to show you guys the difference between these free courses and the paid courses. So you get to see that this course is paid. So if you're going to copy this name of this course and go back to our Udemy and search for this particular course, right now you get to see that this course is not free of charge. This course is actually paid for. This course is going for $12.99, and this is the exact course we're getting for free over here. So you get to see that this thing we're doing right now helps you to get educated with a free course that is going to help you sharpen your skills. We are not doing it because we don't like Udemy. We are doing it because we have a lot of people out there that don't have the finances to finance this course. If you cannot get the free course that is going to teach you what you want from the first process that we showed you, you can equally do that with this. And also bear it in mind that they have limited time for these courses to last for you. It's not going to be there forever. It has a limited time. So once you are getting this course, make sure that you follow through with the courses and complete your taxes so you can get your certificate. So if this video is very helpful for you, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.